Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. This is Nick the Entrepreneur. I am 27 years old and I have a few businesses. I do a day in the life vlog series, and today we are actually going over something that I actually started with, which is print on demand. And I started back in 2017. It was one of my first businesses that actually took off and I made money. This year for 2024, there's a whole new opportunity in print on demand, and I just wanted to go over it. It's gonna be quick, so I hope that you guys can benefit from this, especially my subscribers that have been here for a while know I used to do tutorials in the past. So this is an updated version of print on demand. So I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get started. So I'm just right off the bat, this is Printify. Printify is probably the best print on demand software website. And then there's also Printful, and Printful is good, but for the reason we're using Printify, I will show you right now. So first off, I want to show you something. So the market for the beauty industry in 2023 hit $57.9 billion. Okay, just you'll understand why I'm bringing this up. The revenue of the coffee industry in 2023 was 88 billion. Okay, billion. This is a big market. Okay, this isn't a small market. And in 2028, they're projecting it to be 110 billion. Okay, so the opportunity between now and then it's massive. There's a lot more money that will be coming into the coffee industry specifically. We already knew the cosmetic industry with like Kylie Jenner, all these influencers, right? They're all making a lot of money. And so there's an opportunity between the cosmetic industry for small companies and coffee industries to come and bloom and have people that are creative make these products, right? So this is where things get crazy. Printify has now created the option for someone like you and I to create a coffee company and a cosmetic company. This is crazy. This is a huge opportunity. So let me show you exactly how to do this, and so you can get started today. So this is the catalog. This is Printify. So we got the dashboard, catalogs, my products, your orders, your wallet where the money comes in, your insights, store settings, branding. You can buy Printify Premium, so you can get you pay a certain amount of money, and then if you're making a lot of money on Printify with their sales, you can lower the cost per sale for their fees. So it's worth it if you're making money. There's a help page, in the Printify Academy, which I highly recommend you actually use. But right now, let's go to the catalog so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about for these cosmetics and these coffee products. We're gonna go to catalog, and we're gonna go over the food, health, and beauty industry. Okay, so let's start off with beauty here. And so let's see what they got. They got moisturizer, balance gel, calming toner, hydrating toner, face and body cleanser, daily moisturizer, serum, a whole bunch of serum, hair growth, hair oil, vitamin boost. As I'm saying this, I'm just coming up with these ideas in my head of creating these companies you can drop on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, drop them with Facebook ads. Like, the opportunity to create a product now is so easy. There is no excuse you cannot make money in 2024. It is crazy. This is, especially since this is new, if you hop on right now, there is an opportunity for you to make some good money. And so if you make a plan, strategize, you can create a very successful company, and you don't have to lay a finger on the product. It is just shipped to their door discreetly. They would never know it wasn't you. And so let's actually customize a product just to show you how easy it is that you can create this and then import it. We'll just go with the first one, the moisturizing balance gel. Okay, so we're here, gives you the list, it gives you the product details, shows you how much it costs. So $12.84, okay? Add in your shipping, which is $5.49, okay? Unless you want them to pay for it, your cost is gonna be more like 17 something, okay? Or 18. But either way, we're gonna design this. So we're gonna start designing. All right, so it shows you the border here. You can tell where it cuts off, okay? It shows you what it comes with though. So on the side here, you can see here the ingredients, the distribution. And so let's just get straight to it. Let's download a template design. Oh wait, no, sorry, my bad. We're not gonna do that. So you're gonna go over here, you can add a text, so it can be like, Let's do and we'll go beauty. Right, we could put in quotes, we could do some like Virgil stuff. I don't know. That could be it, right? Like, obviously, we don't want that, but let's just jokingly do this for a second. Right? Okay, so you're capable of just making some, you see this is a niche. Now you can do like the Virgil style, like hype beast beauty products, okay? Do it, try it. You never know, I mean, go for it. So you can see that it's all there because I fit it between the borders, which you see. And then, let's not do that though, right? This is where you can scale this, okay? We're gonna go to AI image, okay? And you can also see all the examples people have used, and you can just apply the prompt. But we're not gonna do that. Let's make something that looks relaxing and calm and natural and healthy and vibrant. All right, let's do a bunch of plant leaves. Okay, so let's just, for example, pull this one, okay? Now we can pull it across. Okay. Okay, I like that. Now, okay, we got it here. Let's trash that. And let's preview the product. So let's check it out. Like, guys, I just created a moisturizing balance gel product by just adding an AI generated photo, which you can create anything you want. You want a golden retriever on it and call it a golden retriever moisturizing balance gel? Go for it. I mean, there's so many opportunities with this, and all you gotta do is save the product, okay? Be like, baby blue, let's see, we got baby blue moisturizer balance gel for dry skin. Okay, do not use the titles that they give you. Change it up, obviously. If you're gonna be doing bulk posting with this, okay, you don't wanna leave the same title. So 1.7 ounce baby blue moisturizer balance gel for dry skin. And keep throwing in the, what it does and how it's going to promote your skin and make it feel better. Add that into the title, add more into the description. Use ChatGPT to make a title, to make a description. Use AI as a leverage, okay? This is too easy not to not try it. I mean, this is an opportunity in 2024 for you to make a lot of money, and this just came out. So you guys watching, this is only a couple months old. This is a huge opportunity. Put it on your TikTok shop. Put it on your Instagram shop. Like, this is gonna be very massive, and I hope you guys use this to your advantage. Post this on your eBay, post this on your Amazon, post this on your Shopify. There's too many sales channels that you can't not make sales. So if you guys enjoyed this short video, please subscribe. I'll make more tutorials, I promise. I haven't made a tutorial in a while, so hopefully you guys stayed long enough, I didn't bore you. And I'm also dropping videos every single day, including today. This is day 13 on the path to $30,000 a month. So if you're not subscribed and you like this, come subscribe. I'll see you guys there. Have a great day. Peace out.